In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google account using the Gmail app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new device or just need to access your email, I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your device. This step is crucial because we'll need to navigate to the Google sign-in page. Once your browser is launched, locate the Google Apps icon. This icon typically appears as a grid of small squares at the top right corner of your Google homepage. Give it a click and a menu will unfold, giving you direct access to all of Google's services. From that menu, select Gmail. Clicking on Gmail will direct you to the Gmail interface, setting the stage for you to log into your Google account. If you're using a device that's shared or public, and you see another account present, don't worry, you'll still have the chance to sign in with your own credentials. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type it in carefully to avoid typos, as even minor errors can prevent access to your account. Once you have your email entered correctly, go ahead and click the Next button. This will take you to the password input section. Now it's time to type in your password. Similar to when entering your email, take special care in typing your password correctly. This is especially important for complex passwords that include a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, click Next again. If your email address and password are recognized as correct, you should see a confirmation that you're logged into your Google account. You now have full access to your Gmail and any other Google services connected to your account on this device. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now in your Google account through the Gmail app. Always remember to log out if you're using a device that isn't yours to keep your information secure. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the login process a bit easier for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.